Hello guys, welcome to Audible Talents channel once more. Today we're going to be talking about Upwork Direct Contracts. Many people don't know that they can actually bring in clients from outside Upwork, then get to work with them, send them proposals at a very minimal fee of 3.4%. And they don't actually know that these clients can actually work with them very well, release their funds, and uh, also cover Upwork also covers some disputes. Even if you and the client have this kind of disputes. And now the question is, what are Upwork Direct Contracts? Upwork Direct Contracts are a way to work with clients who don't have an Upwork account. Direct contracts, you can create and send contract proposals to your clients, and they can deposit project funds in escrow before the contract starts. This ensures that you are paid for your work, and it also protects your client from being scammed. Yes, we are going to be looking at how you can send this on Upwork, but before then, let's look at the pros of Upwork Direct Contracts. That is to say, the advantages. There are a few pros and there's a few pros of using Upwork Direct Contracts. First, you can work with a client who don't have an Upwork account. This can be a great way to reach a new client, especially if you are in a niche market. Second, direct contracts offer escrow protection. This means that your client's funds are held in the secure accounts until the contract is completed. This protects you from being scammed and also gives you the peace of mind and also the client. Third, direct contracts are easy to use. You can create and send contract proposals through Upwork platform, and you can track your payment and milestones. We're going to do this just in it. Then finally, the disadvantages of Upwork Direct Contracts. There are a few cons to using Upwork Direct Contracts. First, you won't be able to get reviews from your direct contract clients. Yeah, you can get reviews on the platform. This can make it difficult to build your reputation on Upwork. So hello guys, here we are going to be looking at how we can actually assess the direct contract. So let's assume you want to send the direct contract to your client who is outside Upwork. You come to the top right view of your Upwork profile, and then you click on this icon here. So immediately you click on this icon, it takes you to another page where you find direct contracts. So for the record, you have the opportunity to actually either invite the client to come and create the contract themselves, or here you can actually copy this link and send to the client to come and create the proposal themselves, or you can create the contract and send to the client. But as a freelancer, this is the most effective way to get your job landed and start moving forward immediately. So let's assume that this is a client email, Jojorami, and then you create the contract. The name of the contract is Influencer Research, and then you give the detail. This contract is for research. Let's assume that this is a description, but you need to give a detailed description. Then you have the ability to choose whether it's hourly or is fixed. So if it's fixed, for instance, you click on fixed and then you say next. So here you can set up the amount that the project is worth, and let's say it's $300. So you can find out that Upwork charges you for bringing in a client for 3.4% dollars. That's what they charge you. 3.4%. I mean 3.4% Upwork fee. And then you will just pay only $10 if you have a $300 contract. It's quite cheap. So here Upwork is offering you an escrow service and also a contract protection for just that amount. But you know, of course, in the long run, it's like a marketing strategy for Upwork, because Upwork would have the client's email and all that. Some clients would also want to keep hiring here because of it. And then once you click on next, you can see here that Upwork has taken you to the next place where you can now add additional notes to the client. Maybe you want to say, please send contract now, something of that nature. Then you can now ask the client to for you to continue. Click on yes, I understand the terms and condition, blah blah. But you also have a feature. One of the features that you have here that is very important is to ask Upwork to email you a preview before sending the contract. So if you send the contract, Upwork is going to show you, for instance, the what you actually see. You know, when the client will actually see when they see your contract in their inbox. So shortly, Upwork is going to send me a preview. It doesn't take that much. So once you send these contracts, yeah, the previews here. Once you send this contract, it will just go directly to the client, and this here is what the client will see. So let's read it. It says, "Hi, Franklin has sent you a direct contract. Upwork Direct Contracts allows you to pay freelancer projects simply and securely. There are low, there are low to no fees and no account is required. Low fees. Upwork says it actually has low fees here, and of which I know they're going to review later on. So here you can actually review the contracts, and that's it. Once the client clicks on review the contract, you just take them to a particular place on the platform, which we cannot go, of course, because it's not a real message. So that's it. I hope this makes sense to you. Please leave a comment in the comment section or share this video to anyone who you think they should see it. Don't forget to subscribe to Audible Talents channel and watch out for our next video. My name is Franklin. Bye for now.